If your dream is to land clients as a video editor and especially high ticket paying clients, then building a successful professional portfolio is one of the most important things to make that dream come true. So after having more than 200 flexing coaching calls with video editors and seeing multiple people doing the same mistakes over and over again, I just got angry and decided to make this video and share with you exactly what makes a converting portfolio and the plug and play template that my students use to close high ticket paying clients. But before jumping into customizing it, I want to make you understand what actually makes a successful portfolio and why it works into the first place. So first of all, let's talk about the common mistakes that people are doing when they're trying to create a portfolio. The first one is using Google Drive and sending Google Drive as a link to the customers. This is very unprofessional. Please never do that, because if you send Google Drive to your customers, you look very unprofessional and lazy, and no one is going to actually hire you even if your edits are good. The second mistake is trying to put too many edits into your portfolio and focusing only on showing the editing. Now, you need to understand the difference between a landing page and a portfolio. A portfolio is made to show to the customer the work that you have and to pretty much describe what you do, while a landing page is made to show to your customer how you can help him achieve his goals. That's the main difference. And that's what my students used right here. Mick, who scaled to $8,000 per month, Derek, who scaled to $10,000 per month, and also Hamad, who scaled to more than $10,000 per month. They have a landing page. They don't have a portfolio. They're focusing on actually landing the clients, not on showing how good they are, not on showing how many motion graphics they can do, and all of these things. And now you might be wondering, wait, doesn't showing my motion graphic skills or my editing skills communicate to the customer that I am a good video editor? Well, it does, but the customer doesn't buy editing for the sake of buying editing if you are not in the gaming niche or documentary niche. If a customer is selling a product or they have a goal into their mind, they buy your editing because they want to achieve that goal. So even if you're pretty good, they won't buy the videos for the sake of buying effects. They will buy the videos to achieve a desired result. And the landing page, the psychology behind of it, is to show to your customer that your edits and your work can actually deliver the results that they want to achieve. And I'm going to show you some examples so you understand the difference between a portfolio and a landing page. Now here is the portfolio of Riley, and into this page, as you can see, he has multiple videos he made, customers he worked with, and that's it pretty much. He's having his email right here, his Twitter, and at the same time an introduction line. You don't want to do that. You don't want to introduce yourself into your own portfolio like this, because this has no value for the customer. The customer is here into your page to see how you can help him. So he doesn't care about your story, he doesn't care that you enjoy editing videos, and again, he doesn't buy the videos for the sake of buying effects or for the sake of buying edits. If I'm a customer and I'm scrolling right now into the portfolio of Riley, I can see that he can make pretty good animations, right? But most editors can do pretty good animations. Like, there are multiple people. So I'm going to look for the cheapest version. I'm going to buy from the editor who's the cheapest. Do you want to compete on price? I think you don't, because when you compete on price, you are going to be lowball down and you are only going to have low ticket paying clients. If you want to compete on the value you provide to your customers, you need to understand and to learn how to sell the actual results, how to present the results into the landing page, and how to talk the language of the customer. Basically, as I said, I'm going to scroll, see some of the videos, and then I'm going to open the portfolio of another guy and another guy. I'm going to DM Riley and multiple editors, ask for the prices, and just pick the cheapest version, because they can all offer video editing. Now, here are some examples from my students. As I told you, this is Hamad, and now he evolved into a content agency. Right now he changed his offer, but the offer before was related to video editing, and right under the offer he had a VSL where he was presenting exactly how he can help the customer achieve the goals that he wants with video editing. Then the book a call button. If you want to close high ticket paying clients at high ticket paying rates, you want to get them into a call as fast as possible and want to close them into a call, because people evolved to trust faces and to develop relationships with other people. So if they can't see your face, if they don't jump into a call with you, they pretty much won't trust you. And trust is very important, because if the customers don't trust you, they won't pay you high ticket rates, right? Here is the next example of Derek. He also evolved into an agency. He has an offer right here. He has a VSL underneath, and then has the book a call button. After that, some of the clients he worked with, and he shows the results he got for these customers. The same for Hamad. He shows the results he got, he shows the videos, right, the video testimonials, and then again, more results, more testimonials at the same time. Also, here is the one of Christian, who is my brother. He has the offer, He has the video sales letter where he talks about how he can help his customers achieve the goals that they have and how editing is crucial in doing that. Then he has social proof. After that, some testimonial, and also he has results, right? He has videos he made, but at the same time he has results, because you need to connect the videos with the results in the mind of the customer if you want to compete on value, if you want to make them understand your value and to be able to charge high ticket rates. So he shows the process here, and then you want results, book a call with me or DM me on Twitter. So the main difference between a landing page and the portfolio, again, is that the portfolio is describing to the people what you are doing, showing that you are doing editing, showing the effects, showing all of this stuff. But again, people don't care about you. Customers don't give a fuck about your situation, about your journey, about you enjoying editing. They care about themselves, and they develop a defensive mechanism in order to save their time, because there are so many people trying to get their money. If you want to close them and convert them, what you need to do is speak their language. And you speak their language by having an offer that targets their pain points and having a VSL that again targets their pain points and shows how you can help them achieve the result that they want. Now here is the landing page template that I pre-made for you, and I share this only with the people inside of my paid community. But as I said, I got mad and I decided to make this video and to help more people out there. Now, one of the most important things with this template, because I know most people give templates online for video editing, they don't make sure that they look great on phone and they don't make sure that they look great on other devices. This is made for multiple devices. It's already pre-made for you, and you can just get it from the first link in the description. And if you want to make this way more professional, and I recommend you do that, because this is going to increase the perceived value clients have about you when you are doing outreach and you are also posting, and they open your link to your portfolio and they see everything you did here and they see the work that you have and the results you have, is please buy a professional domain. If you go to the Namecheap right now, you can get a domain for just $10 per year, which is extremely cheap. At the start, when I was trying to grow as an editor, when I was a beginner, I wasn't investing into this type of things because I was afraid, right? You may be in the same spot, maybe you invested, maybe you didn't, but trust me, it's very, very important, because you can get a domain, you can get a professional email, you can connect the email to the domain, and after that, the clients will perceive you in a different way, because they will see that you are actually out there, you are doing the work, and you are a professional. Bro, buy it and use it. I'm not even sponsored by Namecheap. I just buy the domains from here because it's cheap, right? So don't cheap out on quality, and remember that this is very, very important, because it increases the perceived value people have about you, and perceived value means money they are going to pay later on. And for Framer, you can go with the free plan, but if you want to connect the domain, I think you have to buy the actual normal plan, which is like $5 per month. So this is a business. After all, if you want to invest into yourself and grow fast, like the people you saw already, the students I have, you need to make these small purchases, because they will show the difference between you and other people. Because the professional editors, the people who are getting high ticket paying clients, as you saw them right here, are doing these things. Now, back to the template. Now, the main idea is that in the top of the landing page, you want to have your logo. And here you can change, let me move myself a little bit. Here you can change the logo right here, the image. This is Framer. It's simply to use after you understand it. It's drag and drop, and you can choose another image right here. You can have, let's say if I want to have this, let me see, this Doge image, right? This is my logo now. I can have this logo right here, and I can change the name, right? Haddad Katz. Let's say my name is Mike. I can put Mike Katz or something like that. Then afterwards, here is the formula to speak the language of the customer. I help who achieve what through or without mechanism or pain. And before diving deep into customizing this template and creating an offer, you need to pick a niche. So know which customer you want to work with, because there are two main niches when you are creating content, which is educational niche and entertainment niche. In the entertainment space, there are people who are creating gaming videos, IRL type of videos, and stuff like MrBeast. In the educational space, there are people who are actually selling products, sharing information and useful tips to lose weight, for example, or to grow a successful business. You need to think about your customer. How does the customer that you pick from the niche that you choose make income? And there are mainly two ways of making money. The first one is through ad revenue for people in the entertainment space or even documentaries, and they care about views and exposure. That's what your offer should be about. And people who are in the business space or educational niche and they care about selling, about leads, about conversions. That's what your offer should be about. And if the customer asks you, how is this possible? You are not controlling the whole funnel, but he won't ask you that. This is one of the most common questions video editors ask me actually. How is this possible? How will editing increase the sales and all of these things like the conversion? Well, it's possible because by itself, editing, when done right, will increase the retention, meaning that the customer will build a relationship with a viewer, meaning that the viewer will actually start to develop trust, and they will be converted because they will spend more time into the content. And you can create something similar to that. Now, don't just copy this offer, understand why the offer works for the niche that you pick, and actually make your own. You have to brainstorm and you have to think about it. Remember that you need to talk the language of the customer and to make him feel understood. That's the most important thing. Now, after that, what you need to do right here is to have a VSL. Into the video sales letter, you want to simply communicate to the customer how you can help him. And now I'm not talking about having a showreel here, because these are that. People don't buy for the sake of editing, they buy to achieve a result, as I already told you. In the video sales letter, you need to call them out. Let's say something like, if you're a coach, consultant, business owner, and try to scale your business with YouTube, try to get more leads, but you are stuck, you are struggling because you don't have videos that actually keep the viewers engaged enough and retain, then I have something for you. And then you present your offer as the solution. The VSL should be short, under 2 minutes, and you need to go deep into showing to the customer how you can help them and then prompt them to book a call with you. Because again, if you remember, if you want to close these clients, you need to get them into a call, you need to create custom offers based on their situation and see exactly how you can help them achieve their goals. Then we have more proof. You can add here views, or you can add here sales that you made. Again, everything is customizable. This is just, let's say I just double click and then I just click again, right? It will just customize it. Here again is customizable. And now we have clients you work with. You can add the clients, their profile pictures, and here for the description, what you need to add is their testimonials. So let's say Shaun said, very good video editor, help me improve my retention and sales. Simple, right? And here you can add a video or an image. Both works. Right now it's a video, and you just have to come here and change the source link. Literally just get the link from the re-edit that you made and put it here. It's simple, plug and play. Also, if you want to add an image, you can go here to insert. You can search for an image and you can add here, drag and drop. You can delete the video and then add the results that you got for the customers. Maybe have a screenshot of his sales or his views or his ad revenue. Anything works. After that, another video, another customer, and here more of my best work or more of my results, depending on what you have. If you have screenshots from your customers that show a direct transformation, then put them here. If you have testimonials from the customers, just put them here. As you can see in the examples, right? Here are some of the videos that Hamad made and the process, and at the same time, results. Direct the same thing. Videos, results, and testimonials as well. Christian does the same thing. Videos and results as well. And here what you're going to do is link this button to your calendar. So the button from the top of the landing page is right here, and the button from the bottom is here. They are all connected to this button outside, and if you double click on it, then you are going to be moved into the menu of the button. And here you can add the link of your calendar. This is made for multiple devices. It's already pre-made for you, and you can just download it from the first link into the description. So download it and start using it in order to land high-ticket paying clients fast. And if you want to scale as a video editor and land high-ticket paying clients like these people right here, if you're tired of working with people who don't appreciate you, getting endless revisions, and also getting ghosted when you're trying to raise your rates, then just click the link below and book a one-on-one call with me. And if you qualify, I'm going to show the exact system they applied in order to scale and land high-ticket paying clients fast.